Maganda umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Virgo with the earth elements. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala. Isa lang pong like, subscribes, and share. So, general reading po ito. Titingnan natin ang inyong energies for the whole month of April. Okay? The Taurus season. Yan. What's the energy surrounding you for the whole month of April? Ba't kaya naka-reverse, di ba? Ang tinatawag na the king of cups. So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na okay, moves in silence, okay? Moves in silence, yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na, yan ha, pakita ko yung the bottom card. The King of Cups, okay? And the King of Pentacles, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, kung sino man itong mga taong ito with the negative motives, di ba? May mga motives sila ito ha, against you. Negative, it's like tinatawag, sabihin na nating sinisira nila ang image mo, di ba? Yaan. Maybe they are jealous, di ba? Yaan. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga taong may mga addiction, di ba? Yaan. Yaan. So, ibig sabihin ito yung tinatawag, sanggahin mo ha, para hindi masira ang araw mo, para hindi masira ang beauty mo, para hindi masira ang iyong tinatawag na it's like hindi masira ang iyong tinatawag moods yan ha. Okay, so let's see. Your next energy. The Queen. The Two of Cups. Okay. The Sun in reverse. Okay? No, that's not the Sun. The Judgment in reverse. Di ba? So, meron ditong, it's like, a date, okay? Yan, nakikita ko lang date. Yan, meeting up. Maybe there is a meeting up or a planning, okay? Yan. So, maaring discussion, may pag-uusapan, di ba? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, hindi matutuloy. It's like magkakaroon ng cancellation, di ba? Yan. So, it's like tinatawag, it will hurt your feelings. But that's okay, di ba? Kaya mo to, di ba? Kung ano man ito, it's like there is a meeting up, maybe love romance, sa trabaho, sa career, di ba? Networking, hindi matutuloy. So, it will hurt you, but it's okay. Kaya mo yon, okay? So, let's see your other energies. Okay. The Page of Swords, di ba? Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na there is someone, okay? Or ito yung tinatawag na, sandali ha, be more selfish, okay? Maaring dito masyado kayong mapagbigay, di ba? It's like meron ditong very, very addicted sa inyo. Diba? It's like, bigyan mo nga ako nito. It's like, siguro tinatawag na sa iyo lagi na asa. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, paghintayin mo, it has no bad, it's not bad if you say to them, you wait, diba? You wait. Yan. Turuan mo sila maghintay. Diba? Yan. Minsan-minsan, pandarin mo rin yung salitang selfishness, di ba? Selfish. Yan ha? Kasi it's like kayo lang lagi inaasahan. Okay? So let's see. The Fool. Okay? So ibig sabihin nitong the Fool na ito, you are ready for an adventure. Yan ha? Or maybe ito yung tinatawag, you are ready for a new, maybe sabihin na natin, it has something to do about your health, di ba? Maaring stagnant, maaring for you, there are many of you stagnant. Walang exercise, di ba? Walang action, walang creativities. It's time, di ba? Let's say sabihin na natin, you will go jogging, you will go for a vacation, a holiday, di ba? Cruise ship, sasakay sa airplane, di ba? Maaring mountain trekking, di ba? Yeah, it's about action, okay? So let's see. Other energies. Narito ang tinatawag the Ten of Swords, di ba? Okay. So, ano ibig sabihin ng the Ten of Swords na ito? You have to, yan ha, be quiet. Yan ha, okay. Be quiet, move in silence, okay? Whatever your intention. Yan, oh. So, ibig sabihin nito, be quiet. Yan ha. It's like tinatawag na there is a transformation, di ba? Very, very quiet, okay? Transformation happening sa buhay. Magkakaroon ng pagbabago sa inyong buhay. Okay? So, ang nakikita ko dito yung tinatawag na because of your devotion, diba? Because of your prayers. Ito yung tinatawag na you will feel complete. Diba? Yan. Ito yung tinatawag na you will smile. Okay? It's like there is a surprise. So, whatever is this, diba? Keep quiet. Yan ha. Maybe sabihin na natin for some of you, it's tinatawag you deserve it. Diba? Yung tinatawag paghihintay. Diba? Yan. Worth waiting. Kung ano man ito. Kakaroon ng transformation. Okay? So, naririto. Tinatawag na the Seven of Pentacles, di ba? So, it's more about gains. Okay? Magkakaroon ng gains. Yan. Maybe halimbawa sabihin na natin meron kayong sakahan, di ba? A land ni-utilize nyo, may mga pataniman kayo, maybe ito tinatawag, may mga apartment kayo, negosyo, di ba? Investment, di ba? Networking, yan. Nakakaroon ng gains, yan ha. So, ibig sabihin itong the Ten of Wands, yan ha. So, ibig sabihin ng the Ten of Wands, ito yung tinatawag na yan, keep quiet. Sapagkat tinatawag na, yan, magkakaroon ng malaking success, di ba? Yan. So, whatever is this you are planning, just keep it to yourself, di ba? Okay? So, that's it I see for you. Yan, ha? The Queen of Wands. Yan, okay? And the Ten of Cups, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, yan ha, okay? It has something to do about marriage, yan, marriage, a happy family, di ba? Feeling complete, yan ha. It's like tinatawag transition, transformation, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na if it is your kapartner, okay? Masyado silang addicted, masyado silang nababaliw sa iyo, 'di ba? It's like tinatawag, ikaw lang ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Ikaw lang ang Samson and Delilah sa buhay ko. Okay? So, whatever is this, yan na. Ibig sabihin nito, magkakaroon ng tinatawag na abundance, okay? Luck, 'di ba? Okay? Happiness, yan ha. So, that's I see for you.